Well, today we will resolve the problem domino peeling number 58, topic greedy math. Problem says as follows. You are given a rectangular board of m times n squares. Also, you are given an unlimited number of standard domino pieces of 2 times 1 squares. You are allowed to rotate the pieces. You are asked to place as many dominoes as possible on the board so as to meet the following conditions. 1. Each domino completely covers 2 squares. 2. No 2 dominoes overlap. 3. Each domino lies entirely inside the board. It is allowed to touch the edges of the board. Find the maximum number of dominoes which can be placed under these restrictions. Well, first of all, we should imagine ourselves how this board looks like. It's rectangular, so we know that the area is calculated when we multiply the base by the height. So m times n. And now we should find a formula in which we can find how many dominoes that need 2 squares can enter on this area. So what we can do is it's just maths. If we have the area, then we can divide that area by 2 in order to know how many dominoes there can enter on that board. Imagine the input is as follows, 2 times 4. Then we will have as area 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And that's exactly the output that is given. Now imagine if the input is odd, like 3 times 3. Then when we divide by 2, we just cover 4 squares because 1 square remains uncovered. That's the reason why this method works. How do we write this code? We should just write that we receive 2 numbers that we will call n and m. We want to say that this input should be split by 1 space and that these numbers are integers. Then we assign a variable, the formula n times m, which is the area of the board, and we call it total squares. And finally, we just print the solution, that is total squares divided by 2. When we run this code in Codeforces, it passes all the 35 tests. That will be it. If you want the code of these and more Codeforces problems in Python, just check the link in the description from my GitHub repository.